Good morning. As you can see, I am cleaning up my mess with the disk cleanup utility that's free, built in Windows 11. But let me cancel this and let me show you how all this works. But first, a quick cup of coffee. I love my new Keurig coffee machine. All right, let's click Start. Oh wait, first of all, let me show you this. For those of you who are curious on my machine, this is from the Jurassic Park era. This is a Lenovo AMD Athlon 2, 255 processor, and it's maxed out with 8 gigs of RAM. I know you're saying, why are you using this older machine? Well, Lenovo rocks, and Windows 11 rocks. What can I say? Windows 11 has been flawless, at least for me. So if you haven't tried Windows 11, maybe you should. All right, let's move along. The built-in disk cleanup utility, we'll click the Start button and we'll type CLEA. All right, disk cleanup. All right. So you have some options here. You can use disk cleanup to free up some space. Now, in my case, I already use this. So I could clean up so far 35 megabytes of disk space. On this part 1 phase of the cleanup, I actually had close to 500 megabytes, and it was just my recycle bin. So right now I already use this, so it should be pretty clean. But we'll skip this part. Normally what you're looking for here is cleanup system files, and these are going to be your previous Windows updates, which I was doing when I first started this recording. Now I had over 5 gigabytes of unnecessary files. So since I was using it, I have about 63 megabytes of disk. I can free up 63.8 megabytes of this disk space. Now this is what you're looking for when you're running something like this. You're looking for gigabytes of unnecessary stuff, files, downloads, previous Windows updates that you usually don't need, at least I don't. And this is what you are using to clean up. Now it says here Microsoft Defender antivirus, non-critical files used by Defender antivirus, and it says that right here. Temporary internet files, temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnail. All this stuff that you generally do not have to keep to free up space on your computer. And it works pretty good. It's fairly fast if you have a solid state drive. I am not using the original hard disk drive with this. It would just take longer for the cleanup process, but the computer runs fine. It's from 2011. Again, it had a Windows 7, but Windows 11 has proven to be, this may sound crazy, fairly lightweight compared to, say, Ubuntu Linux, which feels heavier and slower. I know, it sounds nuts. I agree. But I call it as I see it. Windows 11 rocks. So if you haven't already, check out the disk cleanup utility that's free in Windows. Works pretty good, and it gets the job done. And also with the solid state drive, by the way, you do not have to defrag. Finito, no more of that. That's it. If you have any other tips for Windows 11 cleanup, let me know. If you haven't already subscribed, like, share this if this helps you out. I'm going to finish my morning coffee and start my day. Arrivederci. Take care.